Get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey into the world of real estate wealth creation. Today, we unveil a revolutionary formula that will leave you speechless. Discover mind-blowing strategies to transform your financial future and witness a game-changing revelation that's beyond belief. Brace yourself for the most astonishing real estate wealth creation formula ever revealed. Let's dive right in. There are 4 key lessons we believe are crucial for success. 1. Be obsessed with success. To achieve success, you must define your vision clearly and relentlessly pursue it. Be honest about your goals and commit wholeheartedly to them. Let the fire in your belly fuel your focus and keep your eyes on the prize. Remember, mindset is key. Having the right mindset will help you overcome excuses and obstacles on your path to success. Believe in yourself and let determination guide you towards achieving your dreams. 2. Be systematic. The significance of a repeatable system cannot be overstated. Just like applying the Six Sigma theory to measure and repeat your investing outcomes, having a reliable system is crucial. While some real estate investors may attribute their success to luck or timing, intelligent investors understand the power of a well-defined system. It allows them to replicate their successes consistently, continuously refining and enhancing their approach. With a robust system in place, you can confidently navigate the world of real estate and secure enduring prosperity. 3. Be persistent. Facing challenges is inevitable on your journey to real estate wealth. It might be tempting to give up when dealing with tenant issues or property floods. The sheer amount of work needed to feel confident in real estate can be overwhelming too. However, no matter the path you choose, obstacles will arise. The key to success lies in unwavering persistence. The most determined individuals bulldoze through these hurdles without hesitation, emerging victorious in their pursuit of real estate riches. So, stay resilient and keep pushing forward. Success is just beyond those obstacles. 4. Be smart. Accumulating a net worth surpassing $1 million and owning a multi-million-dollar real estate portfolio doesn't necessarily mean you must alter your lifestyle. Instead, it is advisable to reinvest your income wisely. While you always have the option to sell assets, clear debts, and indulge in the rewards, remember that it doesn't have to be your ultimate objective. By continually reinvesting, you can foster long-term financial growth and secure a future filled with even greater opportunities. So, think beyond the immediate gains and set your sights on a lasting and prosperous financial journey. Real estate investing is not a quick path to overnight millionaire status. But with a relentless obsession for success, unwavering persistence, a systematic approach, and smart decision-making, there's no reason why anyone couldn't achieve substantial wealth within just a few years. The key lies in staying focused, disciplined, and strategic in your investment journey. So, embrace the journey, stay dedicated, and watch your wealth grow steadily over time. Success in real estate is within your reach. Thank you for joining us on this incredible exploration of the real estate wealth creation formula. We hope you found the strategies and insights truly mind-blowing. If you're eager to learn more about managing risks in real estate investments, we have a video just for you. Click on the link shown on the screen to discover valuable tips and techniques to safeguard your investments and ensure a successful journey in the world of real estate. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on wealth creation, real estate, and financial success. Until next time, happy investing!